So guys, this is a 208 Peugeot 208 Mark 1, and I'm going to show you how to set cruise control. So this is the important stack. So this is it. So let me zoom in. Can you see? So this is the cruise control function. You've got limit, which we're not going to talk about. I'm going to discuss that in a new video. So what we need to concentrate on is here. Can you see? Cruise. I'm sorry about the resolution on my camera phone, but cruise. So at the moment it's set at 0, so there's no cruise control set. So on the motorway or highway, whichever you want to call it, or dual carriageway, when you reach a speed of approximately 40 miles per hour minimum, the cruise control, it triggers off. So in order to set cruise control, you need to turn this down. So just like this. So it's set at cruise. So we've enabled cruise. So it's been enabled. Now, once you reach your speed, desired speed, you're gonna just press it here. You see this button? Press it once. Okay. So, for example, if you've reached 50 miles per hour, and all you need to do, obviously this has got to be down. Once you reach 50 miles per hour, all you got to do is press this once, and then on the dash it will have a little logo, cruise is on. So once it's on, you let go of your pedal. So obviously you let go of this, you let go of the throttle, and then it will be at 50 miles per hour. Now, if you want to increase the speed of cruise control, all you got to do is, this is to increase it and this is to decrease the speed. So if you want to increase the speed, you press this once. So for 1 mile per hour, it goes up in ones for like increments. So like 51, 52, 53, here 52, 51, 50. So that's how you can adjust cruise control. So to increase and to decrease, and to set once, and then you just press this once, let go of your throttle, and then enjoy the ride. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.